Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This one we're going to cover estates returns information collection. So let's have a look. We've got data going all the way back to 1999 up to March 2022, and new data will go in as it comes out. There's over 5 million rows of data, so it's very detailed. And you can see the descriptions of the tables here. PFI data, site data, trust data. So starting with the trust data, this is an example of some of the rows that we have and the measure categories. I'm just going to do like I normally do and sort of pause the video so you can, record it and then you can pause it and have a look. So that's the measure categories. So that's that. And there's the measures. I'll page down here so you can see them all. So it's 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So that's that. Then we also have, I'll come back to that in a minute. We also have PFI data. There's some of the data there so you can get the idea. And I've done a distinct on some of the fields. So site types, these are the site types. Schema names, quite a lot of schema names. I expand that a bit. So I'll just page down these so you can see them all. That's that. And measure categories, just these ones. And then measures, quite a few pages there. So I'll page down them. And you can just pause the video if you really want to read all of these out. Loads of detail. And you've got site data. These are the organization types. You get the list there, see? And there's a second page worth there. And then you've got the site types. The formatting is because it changes each time they bring out new data. So that's all the types. And then we've got the measure categories. Just paging down again. And then finally the measures. No, there's too many there actually. You're going to need to get a free trial access to see what the rest is in there. So this video is going to get too long otherwise. And finally, the site codes. Now, current users will think, why have we added this table in, given that we already have all the ODS codes in the ODS schema? And there's a bunch of site codes that aren't in any ODS schema. You can probably, for people familiar with ODS, will realise that these codes I'm clicking on here are not normal ODS codes. So that's why we added this table in as well, so you've got those extra descriptions. So that is it really. Thanks.